Dishwasher, Display and Wash Cycle Setting Part 1. Purpose, Program and Features. Unpack the dishwasher and take out the accessories. Connect the inlet hose and place drain hose as directed. Switch on the dishwasher and select the wash cycle program as per requirement. Choose program P0 for inner cleaning to be used once every 1 or 2 months on empty load. Choose program P1 for eco mode to be used for medium soiled daily use dishes at 50 degrees Celsius. Choose program P2. It sets the temperature and washing time automatically as per the soiled condition of dishes. Suitable for all types of dishes. Works at 40 to 65 degrees Celsius. Choose program P3 for Aqua Flex program, suitable for daily use dishes, including plastic items at normal water temperature. Choose program P4 for intensive program, works at 70 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for heavily soiled dishes. Choose program P5 for quick and shine program, used for normal soiled dishes to be washed in fastest time. Choose program P6 for glass care program, recommended for gentle cleaning of delicate glassware, works at 40 degrees Celsius. Choose program P7 for mini program, suitable for normal soiled dishes that are scraped or pre-cleaned. Choose program P8 for pre-wash program, suitable for removing the food particles on dishes kept in dishwasher for 1 to 2 days.